What's the meaning of Cool Britannia? Cool Britannia. Cool Britannia.
Cool Britannia. Cool Britannia. Cool Britannia is a term that was used to describe the cultural revival in Britain during the late 1990s. It referred to the country's newfound confidence and creativity, which was celebrated through various forms of media such as music, fashion, film, and art. This period saw the emergence of popular bands like Oasis and Blur, while fashion designers such as Alexander McQueen and Stella McCartney gained worldwide recognition. The Cool Britannia movement helped to rebrand Britain as a modern and dynamic country, and it had a significant impact on popular culture both domestically and globally.